Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shelby with Woolly Mama Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little spider applique for whatever you want to use it for. I'm going to add mine onto my spiderweb bandana from my previous video. So if you want to learn how to make this, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below and I'll take you to that video. Today I'm going to be doing the spider applique. It's really easy and it's super quick to make. You could use it for a variety of projects, and you can use any yarn and hook that you want. I'm going to be using this baby cotton yarn in gray. I think that would go good with the white bandana, and then we can still kind of see the stitches. It's not black. And I'm using a 3.75 millimeter hook, but again, you can use any yarn and hook that you want for this applique and it should work out. Okay, to start, we're going to start with a magic ring. I wrap the yarn around my fingers, and then I go under and grab this yarn up with my hook, and then I grab another yarn to make a chain, and that's how I do my magic rings. We're going to start with a chain 3, and this is going to count as a first double crochet, and then we're going to double crochet 11 times in the ring. So we'll have a total of 12 double crochets. I'm going to count. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so one more to get 12 since our first chain counts as a double crochet. And once you have 12 double crochets, you can go ahead and close your ring, pull it tight. And then we're going to slip stitch to that third chain of that first chain 3 to join. So you should have a circle for our first round. Now for the next row, we're going to start with the legs. So chain 6. And then working into that second chain from the hook. So we're going to skip this one and work into this one. We're going to make a single crochet. We're going to single crochet again into the next chain. And then the next chain we're going to 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And then we're going to make a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And then after this, we're going to slip stitch into our next double crochet stitch from the circle. So it's right here. And then that completes our first little spider leg. Now we're going to repeat that same step 3 more times. So chain 6. And now we're going to single crochet into that second chain, single crochet into the next chain, 2 single crochets into that next chain, and then 1 single crochet into the next 2 chains. and then slip stitch to the next double crochet stitch from the circle. So we have another leg, and we're going to do that 2 more times. Okay, now we have one more. So again, chain 6, and then single crochet twice, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now we will slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch again. Oops. And then slip stitch into the next stitch again. And we're going to work on the other side of our spider. So chain 7. So this is one more chain than we were doing on the other side. So you have 7 chains, and we're going to single crochet into that second chain from your hook, single crochet into the next one. And now on this side, we're going to do a single crochet decrease. So I insert my hook into the first chain and pull through a loop, insert my hook into the next chain and pull through a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. And then we'll slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch on our circle, and there's the first leg on this side. We're going to repeat that same thing 3 more times. So chain 7, and then single crochet in that first stitch from the hook, or the second stitch from the hook, I mean, and again, and then we're going to do single crochet decrease, and then a single crochet in the last 2 chains, and then slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. And then let's repeat that 2 more times. Chain 7, and we're going to skip the first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet again, single crochet decrease, and then single crochet in each of the last 2 chains, and then slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. And now we have one more leg, chain 7, and then 2 single crochets, and then a single crochet decrease, single crochet in the next 2 chains, and then a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. And that's it. Fasten off your yarn and cut it. I like to leave a long tail because I'm going to use it to sew in the applique. You can cut the tail however you like. And then there you have your spider. And those little legs kind of curve like a little spider leg. And I think he looks so cute. and then I'll just use my long tail to sew onto my spiderweb bandana. I like to put them kind of near the top. I think it looks so cute right there. And yeah, but you can use this on anything. You can attach this to a granny square or whatever project you have in mind. Maybe on a beanie would be cute. It's super fast and easy. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please make sure that you like the video, and if you leave a comment and subscribe, I would appreciate that so much. For the written pattern and for other free patterns, you could check out my channel or also my blog at woolymamacrochet.com, and then I also have PDFs available on Etsy if you want to print out the pattern or keep it on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.